The Luminex Sheath Delivery System, Luminex SDS, is used with the Luminex 200 instrument. The Luminex SDS automatically draws sheath fluid from a non-pressurized 20-liter sheath container to constantly maintain a reservoir of sheath fluid.
The Luminex Sheath Delivery System has an audible alarm that sounds to indicate an issue. The alarm can beep quickly or slowly. The red fault LED light on the front panel flashes as the alarm sounds. If the alarm sounds and beeps quickly, the sheath delivery system has overfilled and must be drained completely. Then, it needs to refill to its normal level. If the alarm sounds and beeps slowly, the sheath delivery system timed out when attempting to fill, and the SDS cannot draw sheath fluid.
When you hear a slow beep, it means the SDS cannot acquire sheath fluid. This usually happens when the sheath fluid container is empty, or the level in the container has dropped below the solvent filter on the end of the sheath line. In addition to hearing the beep, you will see an empty sheath warning display in Exponent. First, examine to see if the container is empty. If so, replace it.
Please note, the sheath container may be replaced while using the Luminex analyzer without interrupting operation, only if the SDS didn't run out of fluid. If this is done, it is not necessary to prime the sheath delivery system.
If the line isn't in the liquid, push the line down until it is below the fluid level. Ensure the 10-micron solvent filter is on the end of the sheath line. Then, follow the sheath line from the container to the SDS to ensure that it is not pinched or kinked. Remove the sheath-in white connector tubing from the front of the SDS. Check for cracks or signs of wear on the connector and O-ring. Next, vent the air from the SDS. To do this, disconnect the green air tubing from the left side of the analyzer. Then, press the fitting at the end of the removed connector against a firm surface. You will hear air escape from the valve. Reconnect the green tubing to the analyzer. Finally, click the Prime command in Exponent. The Luminex analyzer pumps sheath fluid to refill the sheath delivery system and resumes normal operation. Also, if the empty sheath fluid container is not replaced and the system continues to operate, the Luminex Sheath Delivery System will vent pressure to prevent air from being introduced into the Luminex analyzer. This will interrupt the sample run and prevent further samples from being collected.
When you hear a quick beep, it means the SDS is overfilled and needs to be drained. In addition, it must be drained if it is shipped or moved. First, click the warm-up command in Exponent. Then, disconnect the blue sheath outline from the SDS. Remove the white sheath inline from the SDS. Insert the white tubing into the sheath out. Allow the SDS to drain completely. Once it's drained, let it dry for 30 minutes. This will ensure the overfill sensor has been given enough time to dry. Remove the green connector from the analyzer to vent the air pressure. Reconnect each of the lines according to their color. The SDS will begin to refill automatically.
Now that you have gone through this video, you will know what to do if there is an audible alarm and fault LED. In addition, you know how to drain, fill, and prime the Luminex SDS. For more information and more videos, please visit www.luminexcorp.com.